Awning windows are a fantastic choice for homeowners who want to let in fresh air while maintaining privacy and protection from the elements. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, making them ideal for rainy climates, as they allow ventilation even when it's drizzling outside. However, just like any other part of your home, awning windows don't last forever. Over time, they can wear out, fail to function properly, or lose their aesthetic appeal. If you're a homeowner in Ferndale, knowing when it's time to replace your awning windows is key to maintaining your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Here are 5 signs it's time to replace your awning windows. Difficulty opening or closing the window. One of the most obvious signs that your awning window needs to be replaced is if it has become difficult to open or close. The hinges or the mechanism responsible for operating the window may become rusted or worn over time, causing the window to stick or malfunction. If you find yourself struggling to get the window open, or it doesn't close properly, it's no longer serving its primary purpose of providing ventilation. Trying to force a stuck window can cause additional damage, which is why it's a good idea to replace it sooner rather than later. Visible damage or cracks. Awning windows are exposed to the elements day in and day out, which means they can suffer from wear and tear. If you notice visible cracks in the glass, a broken frame, or other forms of physical damage, it may be time to replace the window. Cracks can compromise the window's ability to keep out drafts, water, and insects, which defeats its purpose. Even minor damage can worsen over time, leading to more costly repairs or replacements down the road. If your awning window looks damaged, it's best to act quickly to avoid more extensive issues. Drafts and poor insulation. Another sign that your awning window may need replacement is if it's allowing drafts into your home. Over time, the seals around the window can degrade, leading to air leakage and poor insulation. When this happens, your HVAC system will have to work harder to maintain the temperature inside your home, which can lead to higher energy bills. Drafts around the window can also make certain areas of your home feel uncomfortable. If you feel chilly air near your window or notice fluctuating indoor temperatures, it could be time for a replacement. Condensation between the panes. Condensation between the panes of your awning window is a clear indicator that the seals around the window have failed. This issue occurs when the seal is no longer airtight, allowing moisture to enter between the panes. Over time, this can lead to mold growth, damage to the window frame, and even affect the structural integrity of your home. If you notice condensation between the glass, it's important to replace the window as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Outdated appearance. While functionality is key, the aesthetic appeal of your home matters too. If your awning windows are outdated or no longer match the overall design of your home, replacing them can enhance your home's curb appeal. Over the years, window styles and materials evolve, and new technologies can provide better performance and design options. If your windows are old and showing signs of wear, or you simply want to modernize your home's appearance, replacing them with newer, more energy-efficient models can significantly boost both the look and function of your home. Conclusion: your awning windows are an important part of your home's overall functionality, comfort, and aesthetics. If you notice any of the signs above, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Whether it's difficulty opening or closing, visible damage, poor insulation, condensation, or simply an outdated look, replacing your awning windows can improve your home's efficiency and visual appeal. If you're in Ferndale and experiencing any of these issues, it's a good idea to consult with a local window replacement expert to explore the best options for your home. Taking action now can save you money on energy costs and keep your home comfortable for years to come.